Tim Hortons Field, nicknamed the Donut Box, is a multi-purpose stadium in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Built as a replacement for Ivor Wynne Stadium, Tim Hortons Field is primarily used for Canadian football and soccer and is the home of the Hamilton Tiger Cats of the Canadian Football League and Forge FC of the Canadian Premier League. During the 2015 Pan American Games, it was referred to as CIBC Hamilton Pan Am Soccer Stadium. The stadium opened in September 2014, 2 months after its original anticipated completion date of June 30, 2014. Initial plans for the stadium were for it to be a principal Pan-American stadium for soccer and track and field athletics events. However, disputes between the Tiger Cats owner, Bob Young, the organizers of the 2015 Pan American Games, and the city of Hamilton arose over the location of the stadium, among other things, including whether or not a running track should be built around the proposed stadium in Hamilton. In 2012, the 2015 Pan Am organizers indicated that, due to financial constraints, they would be shifting their focus toward venues and clusters that could be used for multiple events, which might eliminate the need for a new stadium that would be used only for soccer, and they proposed another stadium on the campus of York University, tentatively named York Athletics Stadium, to host the track and field events. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.